2022 tax refund update. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back. In today's update, we have the latest numbers on the amount of tax refunds already approved and in your bank accounts. The IRS is really making progress this year with approving your refunds timely. We also have what happens if the IRS reduce your refund, what the IRS.gov website is saying in terms of that, as well as we have much more. So stay tuned till the very end. Let's go ahead and get started. As always, this information is being shared from IRS.gov. We are going to start with last week's numbers. At that time, the IRS reported they already approved 9 million refunds worth over $20 billion. Now, this week's update, February 25th, the IRS has reported they have issued more than 22 million refunds worth more than $78 billion, and the average refund was $3,536. Comment in the comment section and let us know if you did receive your refund, if you were part of this 22 million, and if that average number is correct. As you can see from last week, that is a big jump, 9 million to over 22 million total so far. So this is looking good for the 2022 tax refunds. Now, the total received so far is 35 million returns received so far. Total process 33 million. All right. Now moving on. Remember, the filing deadline is April 18, 2022, and the IRS commissioner stated that he have no intention as of right now of extending the filing date this year. So make sure if you have not filed, make sure you are filing your 2021 tax return, because they may not extend the filing deadline this year. All right. Also, Reddit stated that taxpayers claiming the earned income tax credit, additional child tax credit, you should get your refunds by early March. So for all of you that are still waiting and you claim the credits, there is still time for you to get a direct deposit date for your 2022 tax refund. Keep checking the Where Is My Refund tool, as well as your IRS transcripts for updates, and review the last video with the testimonies of the many who are receiving direct deposits for March. All right. Now, this is what the IRS is stating. If your refund was less than you expected, it states that if you receive a refund for a smaller amount than you expected, you may cash the check or use the income that was deposited into your bank account. The IRS states here that you will get a notice explaining the reason for the decrease. Follow the instructions on the notice. It states that if the IRS made a mistake, if they determine that you should receive more than you originally received, you will later receive a check for the difference. So if the IRS determine later on that they made a mistake with your refund by reducing it, they will give you the difference at a later date. That is excellent news. So for some of you that were saying you didn't owe any debt, so if there was a mistake on the IRS part, they will give you back the difference. All right. Now, if your refund check was returned to the IRS on deliverable by the U.S. Post Office, your refund information, it says, will remain available throughout the following year until you file another tax return for a current year. So if your refund was returned, you will be able to still get updates and information on the WMR until you file another tax return. It says generally you can file an online claim for a replacement check if it has been more than 28 days from the date they mail your refund. Where is my refund will give you the detailed information about filing a claim if that applies to you. So keep checking the WMR if you have not received your mail check. Now, here are 3 possible reasons that your check was mailed to you even though you chose direct deposit. It says that they can only deposit refunds electronically into accounts in your name, your spouse's name, or in a joint account. A financial institution may reject your direct deposit, and that's why they would send you a paper check. And they cannot deposit more than 3 electronic refunds into a single financial account. So if you are a family and you're using the same bank account and there's 3 or 4 people in the house using that same account to get their tax refund, the IRS can only deposit 3 refunds into that account, and that would be a reason why you would get a mail check. All right, now remember, you can continue to check the Where Is My Refund tool for updates, the IRS To Go app, and of course you can check your transcript. All right, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and come back for all of the tax refund information that matters to you most. I am doing the research so you do not have to, and I will see every one of you again very, very soon.